Peace is not merely the absence of war, but a gift rooted in the heart of Christ. In his message for the World Day of Peace, Pope Leo XIV called for what he described as a peace that is unarmed and disarming, a peace that does not rely on fear or force, but on reconciliation and trust. He reminded the world that true peace is born from converted hearts, not from weapons laid down alone. The Holy Father warned that violence often begins in language that humiliates, excludes, and he urged the leaders and citizens alike to reject hatred and division. He appealed for respect for international law, the protection of civilians, and genuine dialogue between nations, stating that no conflict is solved by escalating destruction, but by courageous negotiation and justice. Pope Leo XIV emphasized that Christians are called to be artisans of peace, building bridges where others build walls, and choosing forgiveness over revenge. He spoke of disarmed hearts, hearts freed from resentment and pride, capable of seeing others not as enemies, but as brothers and sisters. The Pope reminded believers that Christ himself is our peace, and that reconciliation begins in everyday choices in families, in communities, and in public discourse. He called for solidarity with victims of war, for humanitarian compassion, and for persistent prayer that leads to concrete action. His message was clear. Peace requires courage, humility, and moral strength. It demands that we listen before we judge, speak truth without violence, and seek unity without compromising justice. In a fractured world, Pope Leo XIV's words echo with urgency. Peace is possible, but it must begin within us, and it must be pursued together as one human family under God.